Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Gemini and want to move it to your Coinbase wallet, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, with the latest updates to make the process smoother and safer. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, I'll walk you through this step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Coinbase. Open your Gemini app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section and find your XRP balance. This is where the magic starts. Next, head over to the Withdrawal page. Look for the Withdraw button, usually in the top menu or under your asset details. Select XRP from the list of cryptocurrencies. Now, you'll need your Coinbase wallet address. Open the Coinbase app, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the address. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Back on Gemini, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. In 2025, XRP transactions are faster, but fees can still vary based on network congestion. Hit Review or Confirm, and you'll see a summary of the transaction. Take a moment to verify everything: amount, address, and fees, then approve it with your two-factor authentication for added security. Once submitted, the withdrawal should process quickly, often in minutes thanks to XRP's efficient ledger. Keep an eye on your Coinbase wallet for the incoming funds. If anything goes wrong, like a failed transaction, check your email for notifications from Gemini and contact support if needed. A few quick tips for 2025. Always use the XRP ledger network for these transfers to ensure compatibility. Watch out for gas fees, even though they're minimal for XRP, and never share your wallet keys. That's it, you've successfully withdrawn your XRP. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.